Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unarchive a group on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've accidentally archived a group or simply want to bring it back to your main chat list, don't worry, it only takes a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats. Once the app opens, look at the left-hand side of your screen. That's where all your chats and groups are displayed. At the very top of your chat list, you should see a folder labeled Archived Chats. This folder contains all the conversations that you've hidden or archived before. Click on it to open and view everything that's been stored there. Now, scroll through the Archived Chats list to find the group you want to unarchive. It could be a family chat, a work group, or any discussion you previously moved out of your main list. If you have many archived items, you can also use the search bar at the top to quickly type the group's name and locate it instantly. Once you find the group, here's the key step. Right-click on the group's name. A small menu will appear next to it. From that menu, choose the option that says Unarchive. As soon as you click it, Telegram will move that group back to your regular chat list automatically. You'll now see the group appear again with the rest of your active conversations. You can open it, send messages, and interact just like before. Telegram will also treat it as a normal chat going forward, meaning any new messages from that group will show up in your main list instead of being hidden in archives. And that's it. You've successfully unarchived a group on Telegram using the PC app. It's a quick and simple process that helps you stay organized and keep your important chats right where you need them. Thanks for watching.